Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm Vinny the Collector, and today we will be opening up the 3-pack Pokeball tin that they sell at Costco. I managed to get one, just the one, just because it did have the Dusk Ball, my bad, and the Primer Ball. And also, we will be trying our shot to see what we get with the Darkness Ablaze blister, since last time that we opened these we had nothing. So it'll be 3 balls, and then we'll open up one of these every time we're done opening this. So let's get at it. Yeah, I think it's like the Sun and Moon packs are in these, and an Evolutions pack. Can't go wrong with Evolutions. And Sun and Moon, I really didn't open those when they did come out, and they do bring a coin as well. Man, they're in there. They're like glued to the back of these, which is kind of cool. Let me see. Yep, they're stuck in there pretty good. So now that we have all 3 there, we will be opening up this as well, because the new Champions Path is also coming out this week, which that's why I only bought the one Elite Trainer. So there's a Charizard pack, there's this pack here, and we have a Center Scorch. We have our Manaphy coin. Trying to get this promo out without ruining it. There's that code card, which good, it's out of the way. And here we go. We have the Flareon. Nice card. That's the only reason I did get that one, just because I did get the Eevee promo, and I wanted to get the Flareon promo next. So I think we will start off with the classic Pokeball here. How do I? Okay, there it is. It's cool that they're metallic compared to the Hidden Fates plasticky ones. These are metallic. And I think it's like one of these at the store is $12.99 or something like that. So you basically get a free one when you buy this pack at Costco. It's a little bit dinged up here, so. Okay. Oh, they're kind of scrunched up. And we have a Volcanion coin. Here's the bottom piece for that. These actually look pretty cool. Put that to the side. So we have a Burning Shadows. Here we go. Let me focus this here. We have a Burning Shadows, a Sun and Moon, and an Evolutions. So I think we'll do Sun and Moon first, and then we'll hit Burning Shadows and then the Evolutions. Hopefully get a Charizard and Evolutions. You know, we'll slide that code card out of the way here. And it should be 3 to the front. Hopefully. Yep. Alright. Same deal. So we have a Boulder, Ultra Ball, a Pinsir, that artwork on that Growlithe, Poplio, Wingull, Surskit, Yungoos from Alolan region, A reverse Poliwhirl, not bad. And for the rare, it is a Bruxish, the big lip fish. So no holo for that one. Let's go for Burning Shadows next. Wouldn't that be insane if we just pulled out Hyper Rare as Charizard on this? Because apparently it's like impossible to get. I'm pretty sure it's 3 to the front of this one. We have the trainer card, a Wishful Baton, a Metapod, a Morlul, Crabrawler, a Stuffle, Inky. For the reverse, we have a. Oh wait, that's not the reverse. It's not the reverse, it's the Duskull. And we have the reverse Alolan Rattata. I do like the artwork for Burning Shadows. And for the rare, we have a Marshadow GX, and it was a Marshadow pack too, so that's cool. Marshadow GX. I don't have him, so actually not bad. Not bad centering. So the first full art. Now let's go for the Evolutions, the OG pack. I think Evolutions is gonna, I think the rare just stays in the back. We'll find out. Slide that code card out here. Yeah, so it's like 1, 2, 3 to the front, and that's it. Should be it. There you go. So we have Devolution Spray, Rock's Grit, Slowbro Spirit Link, Nidoran, the Ponyta, Drowsy, Electabuzz for the uncommon, Vulpix for the uncommon, a reverse Seal. For the rare, it is a Mega Blastoise. Dude, it was a Blastoise pack. Isn't that crazy? I don't have him yet, so that's great. I have the Charizard and Venusaur that we pulled from Evolutions last time, but I don't have him yet, so that's good. Man, that's insane. Centering's a little bit pushed to the left, but other than that, a nice Mega. Put him in a sleeve. There we go, sleeved and ready to go. Awesome. The Mega. That's so insane. So we will go with the Charizard pack now from Darkness Ablaze. We had a terrible run on that Elite Trainer and that blister pack actually. So we will see what we get here. I'm excited about a new Shiny Zard coming out though. New Shiny Zard coming for that Champion's Path. So 1, 2, 3. And get rid of the energy here. So let's get this started. We got Rose for the trainer, Simipour, Lunatone, Rookie D, Wishy Washy, Pansage, a Tauros. Here we go. The Diglett, Struggle Gloves for the reverse. I have not seen this. This is the first time I've seen this one. Struggle Gloves, and for the rare, it is a non-holographic Galarian Darmanitan. Now let's go for the Dusk Ball. Oh man, this one was way easier to open compared to the other one. I love the way this looks. It's amazing. Ooh. There's that. Oh, I think the coin's stuck to the pack here, or it's in between the pack, and it is another Volcanion. Volcanion. That's a pretty cool looking Pokemon, I guess. It has like 2 feet, right? Only? No, 4 feet. There we go. There's a Dusk Ball there. And it has, this one has a Sun and Moon pack. This one's going to be the Burning Shadows, and it has a Primal Clash. Ooh. So we'll do the same thing. No evolutions on this one. Kind of a bummer. Oh, I kind of ruined it. So, should have never turned that around. Whoa, you see that? 1, 2, what? Whoa. Did someone mess up at the factory, or I've never seen that before. So we have a Great Ball, a Boulder, a Lily, Bonsweet, Psyduck, Litten, Cosmog, Roggenrola, a reverse Alolan Diglett, and for the rare we have a Bruxish, something like that. That was